another day. Time to get this passenger route down to the line to Beltany. Hopefully I won't get any business. But, if someone there tries to do some king of the bees in my mind, we'll get a tornado whoosh at them. Well, enough of this moment, let's move on.
I'm on my way, on the journey to where I'm heading to, where I'm going to where. I hope there's no ants in my mind, dude, enough with you, dramatic tension. Don't tell me my journey disaster is starting rumbling. Can this day get better than my last fucking journey? Finally, this might be the end.
A train at platform 1 is the Beltany calling out. All stops
Oh,
to Beltany.
hello small guy,
Please stand
tiny
back
as a
behind
mouse.
the yellow line until the train comes to a halt and allow the
Oh,
passengers
you
to
try to
alight
say I'm
before
nice.
trying to
Thank you,
board.
tiny engine. Oh, I know you look tiny. Who's a good little engine?
Oh, Tiny, yeah. I'm Tiny and I will go inside engine and stop it, if you get the fork out of my sight.
No, no, oh no, not this crap again. Hurry, hurry, so I can have this journey over. It's giving me a roof and is everything ready? Alright, I'm off my journey disaster. Oh my, it's a railway disaster. It's a crazy railway day, a crazy ride, a crazy day. When will this journey end? Hey, watch your way you're going, springing basketball. Finally, I made it to the end of my route.
This train arrives at platform 6, terminates here. This is the route from Merton.
My last station, but now where's the terminal station? What a journey disaster, my journey disaster, my journey
Oh man in the moon, that's my forking route over. Man, this is a journey disaster.
Well, Kentren, seems like you have a tough day, just like me when I take my routes to London. Always get these type of train journeys.
Well, Fubio, you know what journeys like, they travel like they're in a horse carriage.
Well, Kentren, hopefully you might get better journey back to Merhill.
The train now standing at platform 7 is the service to London Euston calling out Beltany University Airport, St Clones, Birmingham New Street, and London Euston.
Oh, sorry, Kentren, I have to go to my route now. I'll talk to you later.
Let's hope on the way we're back to Merty will be a better route of this donkey's ash hole of my forking line all of my forking day.
Like always, our bus route seems to be very fun. We've been traveling around the place. Right, Lyon?
Right, Lyon. We've been traveling like we were in a washing machine. Oh, did I say washing machine? I mean by the sea.
Like when I travelled to the quayside of Beltany, I saw Anglerlake clattering with Foy all the way down to the station.
Yeah, exactly. They were arguing all over the station and Foyer got detached and landed in his side crying like a son of a bitch.
Yeah, seem like the world is full of crazy moments and I have my own route to keep, and it's time for me to hit the railton of my schedule.
Now I'm on the other side of my train, and let's hope I have a peaceful journey home to Myrtle, or else anyone that bothers me will get a frog in their lazy fat and on the backside.
So Kentren, how's your day?
Oh, I will tell my days. I have some distraction on my nice quiet journey and itinerary. Don't start to be acting like, oh how are you, because I was distracted with Stvik.
What, me?
Yes, you stop being act like I was talking to a wall.
So you talking to a wall, so will you be thinking talking to a window, roof, floor, air, all around us?